roots of this little miniature Cattleya. So this one I've had for about a year now and it's been struggling a little. So we're just gonna cut the unhealthy parts off of it and hope it gets a little bit better. So here, first we're gonna dip it in this water covered in hydrogen peroxide just to see. This is a hydrogen peroxide and water mixture just to see if any of the roots turn green. Not really. Put that aside. So these, I can tell that these roots are actually a little bit green. So I'm gonna keep these nice firm green roots and I'm gonna take some sterilized scissors and I'm just gonna cut the ones that are clearly unhealthy. So I used to keep them on. I was told at one point that, oh, wait a second. Is this a separate? All right, well, I was told at one point that like these little wiry things inside the vellum could a little bit of water. And I don't really know if that's true or not because other people are saying that the dead roots are just dead weight and taking up the plant's energy. And so I don't know if they take in water. I'm just gonna remove them. I feel like it's better to have healthy, nice roots. I feel like most other people who have plants don't leave dead roots on everything. So we're just gonna take them off and see if that helps things be a little bit better. So a lot of messy roots. Ugh. My cat wants attention in the background. Raja, you want to be on YouTube? Oh, see, like this one is just completely come apart of the main plant. That's okay. There's some green coming out here and there's like one little root. So I think that I'm just gonna keep this potted up with the other one. Maybe I'll just snip that there. Okay, so we have that one. This is not good looking. That's fine. Get some of this old bark out carefully. See, there's new growth here. This plant has been growing a lot, but it hasn't flowered for me yet, and it just seems to be struggling just a little bit. So I would like for her to help it along and like see if I can get it to flower. I don't know what that is. I think that's like an old fertilizer from the nursery that I got it from. Some old dried up pseudobulbs. All right, so we're gonna take this and the other little one and we're gonna put it right back in the hydrogen peroxide and see, and just soak it for a second while we prepare the mix. set that aside. So I have a clean container here, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of sphagnum moss, just a tiny bit to retain some moisture and maybe help stabilize the plants. It's a little bit dry right now. That's fine. So maybe a little bit of that, and then some regular fir bark orchid mix. This Cattleya, as you've seen, has like very small roots, so it doesn't need like the chunkiest bark, but it doesn't like dehydrate very fast, so we're gonna, I don't know. I'm just trying something, we'll see. So I have that. I'm gonna put a little bit of sphagnum moss around the roots. Tiny bit, we don't want to pack it in. We just want it to stabilize the plant and hold some moisture. A tiny amount. All around. Well, I lost some Cattleyas last year by putting it outside in sphagnum moss, and it got a lot of water. So this is not going outside. This is gonna stay inside during the summer, along with my other seedlings, because I don't think they liked outside last year very much. At least my smaller ones didn't. So we're just gonna put fir bark on top. Okay. Now, like, see if we can stick the entire thing in there. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, there we go. So that's gonna soak in some hydrogen peroxide. It's gonna sterilize the mix. It's gonna sterilize the roots even further. And yeah, so hopefully that likes that setup a little bit better. It definitely looks a lot neater than it was before. It was in like too big of a container before, and it didn't really stay inside the mix. Like the roots kept coming out. So I think this is probably a much better setup, and it's more stable and it looks neater. So I'm happy with this. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.